Dumelang landlord, this is your tenant Disebo D. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Please do like, share and subscribe. And if you have anything to say, anything at all, please do drop a comment. I would really like to hear from you. My landlord is Ngani Zesthembu, and because we just spoke about Usibindi, can we continue Usibindi? Okay, Usibindi uthi uyolobola uTirelo because of uTirelo has been through thick and thin naye, right? I think ukuthi the same was with Uvuyokazi because Uvuyokazi uye oqale nje yonke le sithembu somjolo officially to us. Sisibone ngayo ukuthi yo khona ugelo kwazi ukuthi abekezele, right? And she was said ukuthi she's not a mamkhulu material. Do I think ukuthi uTirelo is a mamkhulu material? I don't think so, right? I understand ukuthi ugirl uthi she does not care ngetrain Usibindi azoba nayo nan. But uTirelo reacts very quick. uTirelo kimi, she's mangwabe light. She's the one who will always say, I'm gonna leave. The question is, how is she going to accept and be macele light to the other women? I don't know. But ke uguy has decided ukuthi uzomlobola. But I also think ukuthi umlobola because he can see. I think ukuthi yes siyacela ke umpumelelo, right? But ebusiyaceleni bakhe unokuqabanga nje ukuthi hey la ngalahlekelwa okukhona ngekho or lana history might repeat itself. So unlike usiyacela, we can give him credit on that one, right? So now uguy has decided ukuthi uyovela komunye and uyolobola kuTirelo, right? I'm asking myself ukuthi labo girl laba additional bayabhadalwa or are they really ama girlfriends wakhe, right? And if bayabhadalwa, are they not scared ukuthi their reputations and their families' names will be dragged simply because of association with Usibindi? Like, for me, I would not want to associate myself with Umpumelelo in that manner. But if they are not being paid and they really think this guy is for them, have they not seen how this guy treated uTirelo no Vuyokazi when they were in conflict? And also, is uTirelo willing to be wife number one and sacrifice it all for the others to come in? Because it means for me uTirelo will then have to be the one owakha umuzi wasemzumbe as wife number one. She cannot go and live her best life in Joburg while she is wife number one. I don't know, you guys. I don't know. But nonetheless, can we congratulate them to say, hey, Buffett, congratulations. May your marriage thrive. May you guys live happily ever after. May no mamngani formed against you prosper or enter. That's what I wish for uTirelo at this point. May this Tembu not succeed when it comes to Umpumelelo so that uTirelo can be happy, because I don't see her happy, uTirelo, with umamncane, but I might be wrong. Yeah, but yeah, congratulations are in order. Congratulations, Tirelo and Sibindi. May your marriage be a great one. Please do like, share, and subscribe. This is your girl, Disebo D. I love you. Peace. Bye.